Okay, it's time for letter sounds and words. It's the last day of the week. Okay, so let's have some fun with this. We're going to do our letter names, letter sounds, and then our blends, digraphs, and trigraphs. Here we go. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is L, sound is OL. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Letter is Q, sound is QUA. Letter is U, sound is Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is O, sound is Ah. Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is R, sound is Letter is A, sound is A. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is I, sound is I. Letter is E, sound is E. Okay, let's get into our blends, digraphs, and trigraphs. SC, sk, scooter. TW, twa, 12. THR, thir, 3. CH, ch, chick. SK, sk, skunk. TR, tur, truck. SH, sh, sheep. GL, gull, globe. SL, soul, slide. SHR, sure, Shrek. PH, phone. STR, stir, strawberry. WH, whale. SCR, skr, scream. SPL, spull, splash. FL, full, flower. PL, pull, play. FR, fur, frog. SM, smile. DR, drum. CR, crayons. CL, clock. PR, present. ST, star. BR, bread. SW, swing. SPR, spring. SP, spoon. SQU, square. TH, 13. BL, blue. GR, grasshopper. And SN, snake. Okay, it's time for our rhyming game. We're going to be doing our not and our category today is animals in the zoo. Here we go. Free bruh, not free bruh, zebra. Tryin', not tryin', lion. Triger, not triger, tiger. Pranda, not pranda, panda. Gorilla, not gorilla, gorilla. Frere, not frere, bear. Bramble, not bramble, camel. Curdle, not curdle, turtle. Brelephant, not brelephant, elephant. Drocodile, not drocodile, crocodile. Okay, let's go ahead and find the beginning R blend, okay, at the beginning of our word. Here we go. Grumpy. Trust. Drop. Bright. Cramp. Bridge. Truck. ter. Press, per. And grand, gur. Okay, it's time for you guys to blend the sounds together. Wait until I'm finished and I give you my signal and then say what the word is. P, a, pray. T, k, truck. B, a, v, brave. K, e, m, cream. D, op, drop. F, e, free. G, m, p, grump. T, I, b, tribe. B, I, t, brighter. And p, I, n, t, print. Good job. Okay, this is where we're going to find our ending sound. The last sound we hear in the word, the final sound. And go down. Give you 3 words. Let's find out what they all have the same at the end. Here we go. Pencil. Pull. Puzzle. Oh, don't get confused at that beginning sound. Get the ending sound. Here we go. Arm. Broom. Dim. Can. Corn. Green. Camp. Clap. Cup. P. Boots. Cross. Circus. S. Coat. Count. Foot. T. Cave. Dive. Drove. V. And breeze. Buzz. Gauze. Z. Okay, it's time for you to break these words up into all their sounds, okay? Remember, we're pulling apart those R blends. Those can be pulled apart. So get your gum in. Get it soft. Here we go. Fries. I-s. Fries. Grass. G-r-a-s. Grass. Probe. P-r-o-b. Probe. Trail. T-r-a-o. Trail. Bridge. B-r-i-j. Bridge. Cramp. K-r-a-m-p. Cramp. Drapes. D-r-a-p-s. Drapes. Frost. F-r-a-s-t. Frost. Grades. G-r-a-d-z. Grades. And praise. P-r-a-z. Praise. Good. Let's change that beginning R blend. Let's get what the new word is. Here we go. Crow. Change cur to gur. Grow. Train. Change tur to burr. Brain. True. Change tur to cur. Crew. Grade. Change gur to tur. Trade. And tried. Change tur to burr. Bride. Next up is we're going to add a beginning sound. It's going to make an R blend, and you're going to tell me what the whole word is. Here we go. Rake, add B, break. Ream, add K, cream. Rip, add D, drip. Rost, add F, frost. Rump, add G, grump. Ray, add P, pray. Ravel, add T, travel. Rush, add B, brush. Rums, add K, crumbs. And rum, add D, drum. Okay, let's take away our R blends now. Here we go. Trap, take away tur, app. Brighter, take away burr, iter. Crash, take away cur, ash. Drill, take away dur, ill. Fries, take away fur, eyes. Gray, take away gur, a. Probe, take away per, ob. Tribe, take away tur, ibe. Grip, take away gur, ip. And trail, take away tur, ale. Okay, we're going to finish off with our nursery rhyme. It's Friday, so it's student choice. Yeah, Abrielle. No, perfect. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Let's do it. Here we go, you guys, all together. Here we go. You ready? Abrielle, you ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. Great job. Good job, Abrielle. That was a perfect one.